going on? Well, today I was going back into the woods, but it's freaking raining. About the only time, just the only time. D Johnson 637462958. Thank you for joining. That's a long username, by the way, but good job on that one. The reason why I'm inside is because it's raining, and that's the only place I actually can go is in my apartment. So I was trying to grab my extension cord for my charger, and I don't know where my bed railing decides to attack me. I end up attacking the floor. I got so pissed off, I took my milk, a half gallon of milk carton full of water, and I decided to hit it. How fucking stupid do I have to be just to do that? I mean, come on. Common sense myself. Hello? That was pretty freaking stupid of me. I'll even show you. This damn thing came out of nowhere. I swear to God. Ugh. Yeah, I gotta get off the bed like that. But that little monster decides to attack me. Yeah, he attacked me. I put like 2 freaking band-aids on just for my leg to quit bleeding. A damn son of a bitch. Yeah, I'm getting back on my bed now. Ugh. Ugh. But other than that, that's my day. I was actually not going out there until after it started pouring really bad, so told myself, nope, not today. So I decided to stay indoors, be bored. So what y'all up to? Hello? God damn, man. So fucking bored. Nothing to do. Literally, nothing. Besides watching movies, which that even gets boring. Really does. What should I do? Any suggestions? Oh, come on, don't be scared, you guys. I don't bite. Not hard anyways. Anyone got some funny stories to share? Awkward silence. Okay. Wish there was more to talk about, but I guess not. Well, I guess I could talk about, whoa, damn. I hate fucking brain farts, I really do. I do hate brain farts. Oh. The, Jake Paul, Logan Paul thing, I have that wrong. If Jake Paul is going to be watching this, I want to give my apologies to him. It was actually Logan Paul that was into Suicide Force that recorded that dead body. So Jake Paul, bottom of my heart, I am seriously apologizing about that. I hope you accept my apology, because that was kind of stupid of me to say all that shit about you. But seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I am seriously sorry. But on to the other good note, that down here it's gonna be like 63, I think, Wednesday. And holy shit, that'll be a definitely good day to go in the woods. Really will be. Hopefully I can venture in more. Cause, Those woods are actually, I think, like 1.5 miles wide. So it'll actually be good to venture inside of them to see what we can actually find besides fucking coyote dens. But for now, I guess well, there's more to talk about than just that, you guys. There really is. Like, for example, I actually like to interact with you guys more. So comment down below, and I'll give you guys a shout out. Ain't that a nice ceiling? Only if it would crash and I'll be dead. No, I'm just joking. I hope that don't really fall though. I really don't. I don't wish that on no one. Not even myself. Have you guys ever done anything so stupid that you look back at it, start laughing, and make fun of yourself for it? Huh. I guess I'm the only one, right? And boy, do I have a story for you. I was about maybe 14, 15 years old, and back then I liked WWE. I mean, I still do from time to time. I don't really watch anymore. But me and my cousins would always wrestle around. There's one particular incident. I hit my nose on the side onto the corner of my dresser. Blood starts gushing. Yeah, I didn't want to go to the hospital, but I still want to wrestle more. How fucking stupid do I have to be just to do that? Like, seriously. I'll start laughing. Next thing you know, I passed the fuck out. Wake up about 5 minutes later in the hospital, like, what the fuck happened? Lord, are you here? And then they released me about a day later. After that, I was into JROTC for 4.5 years. And tore my ACL in ROTC, but also in backyard wrestling. Yes, it is a sport. Backyard wrestling is a sport. How I tore my ACL first time was I was battling what the fuck was his name? Can't remember his name, but King Johnson, that's who it was, King Johnson. And it was a barbed wire tabled last man standing match. Of course, I still came out on top. And it was for the, what is it? ESW, no, not ESW, but, Baton Rouge Showdown Wrestling. And, that barbed wire out there, it hurts like a fucking bitch. It really does. Cause I fell through the damn table. The ref got to about the 9 count. I got up, did my finisher. It's a choke slam powerbomb. It's where I choke him up, slam him down as I sit, and then bam, he was done for. After that, my knee twisted and popped and tore my ACL. Then I was on ROTC and, excuse me. I was running out of the table to get my water. Bad fucking idea. I twisted and popped my knee again. This time tearing my ACL. Both sides. 1, 2. then down the middle completely. I think the doctor said it took him about 6.5 hours just to repair it. That's how bad it was. And now I live every day with arthritis in my knee because how stupidity I was. I still have so much stupidity that, I'm gonna be honest, I'm surprised I survived through 2018. Well, now in 2018, but in 2017 I was like, holy shit, this might be my last year to live because all the stupid things I did. Boy, was I wrong. So, right now, anyone else got any stories I can tell for the viewers? What about you, D. Johnson? I'm waiting. Man, I have so much of a fucking ugly smile. Nah. What you guys been up to? Like, church, what? I would love to know. Really would. What you guys been doing today? Like, seriously. Now, I'm gonna put it like this towards bullying, though. For example, the kid that I said his name on my recently live broadcast yesterday, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Simple as that. Comes from the Kelly Clarkson song, Stronger. You know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. That song. That's kind of my motto. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Unless you get shot by a bullet and you're dead. In other words, if hateful comments to me makes me stronger as a person and makes me want to do more stupid stuff just to prove them wrong that I'm a better man than they are. Especially when they want to put their hands on their mama and on other women. That is not right to do. That really isn't. What the fuck were you thinking putting your hands on a woman? I personally never put my hands on a woman, ever. And I won't ever. Now, if a woman decides to put herself in a man's place, still wouldn't. I would call a female friend or just a, or my, aunt come over there, just beat her ass for it, because that's how much respect I have for a woman. Seriously. Like if a woman was here right now, slapping me and shit for no reason, or just because I kind of pissed her off a little bit and she puts her hands on me, I'm calling my aunt. Because I don't put my hands on a woman, I put my hands on a man. And a coward who thinks they can put their hands on a woman. And I really don't care if she did something to you or not. Don't put your fucking hands on a woman, dude. That right there draws the line with me. If one of my friends, male friends, decides to put their hands on a woman, they gonna get their ass beat. Because I don't put up with that shit. I really don't. What I put up with is women putting their hands on a man. But that man should not be putting their hands on the woman. Like, seriously. How fucking stupid do you have to be to just hit a fucking woman? Or how cowardly, huh? Like, seriously, what the fuck were you thinking? That's not fucking right, dude. It isn't. Well, I'll get back on here later. I gotta go grocery shopping, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.